So here we have a mother hen and her chicks. About 8 chicks. And I do a lot of eBird surveys in the Bahamas, but one of the things that they don't really have is a chicken thing. In a lot of other countries, chickens are, domesticated, and so they don't really contribute to the biodiversity or affect the native biodiversity like that. But here in the Bahamas and other places that I've been, they are a significant impact. These ones are walking around, they're eating bugs and stuff like that. The chicks can be taken by some of our wild animals, like maybe a snake. Also other invasives like cats and dogs. There's another hen inside the bushes over there. But yeah, I really would like to see, or if you know how to enter a chicken in eBird, that would be awesome. All right. Well, that's just a little of my perspective on chickens in the wild in the Bahamas and our eBird data. Hope you all enjoyed it. Talk to you later.